So I'm here. I'm out here in near Ely, Minnesota, and I came across this tree. Now, its bark tells me maybe it's some kind of birch, the patterning on it, but look at this. Look at these roots. And it's up, way up out of the ground. I'm not sure why it's so high up the ground and over here. If I was smaller, I would duck up under here. What a glorious tree, and it's starting to change. How beautiful. Look at it. Oh my God. That's just amazing. Look at these roots.